Come test drive the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, bed liner, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.